Shopping is a delightful treasure hunt. When you go for shopping, use these phrases. Do you have dry fruits? Where can I find or locate? Where can I find shaving gel? I'm just browsing, looking casually. I'm looking for groceries. How much is this? For asking price. Is this on sale? Can I try it on? Use this to ask if you can put on clothing to see if it fits the right size. I will take it. Do you take credit cards or do you accept credit cards? I would like to return or exchange this. Never let the delight of learning end. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.